Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this part in NX 12. Okay, let's start. First, we need use extrude select YZ plane. Then we need create circle, make dimension 30. Finish. Symmetrical value. The dimension is 24. Okay. Next, select X, Y plane. We need create rectangle. Constraint coincident. Then we make dimension 42, 40. Finish. Value symmetrical. The dimension 50. Boolean unit. Okay. Next we need edge blend. Select these two edge 10 mm. Okay. Next we need to create this hole and this hole. So select hole, set diameter 8 mm, and we need position. Select this arc center, this and this through body. Okay. Next we need to create this hole. Dimension 18. Okay. Next we need pocket feature. So extrude select YZ plane. Then we need create a rectangle. Make dimension. Now constraint this middle point onto X. Then make dimension 20. Finish sketch. Then we need through all and through all. Boolean subtract. Okay. Change the appearance. Okay, we're finishing the part. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.